Hello and welcome to Picmaker. Today we will see how to select the best templates in Picmaker. Now why is it important to know this? It is because we have tens of thousands of templates in Picmaker and we are adding many more each day. But how do you know which one is the best for you? Let us explore that in this tutorial. When you log into Picmaker, the first thing that you notice is a search bar here. You can type the category of templates that you're looking for. For example, YouTube thumbnails. There are auto prompts here, or there are ready buttons here that you can choose and go straight to your templates. Or what you could do is scroll down a little more and choose the different categories here. First up, you notice the YouTube thumbnail templates, and then the logo templates, blog banners, Instagram posts, YouTube channel art, banners, posters, and a lot more. You could probably get lost in the number of templates that Picmaker has. But for a moment, let us assume that you are looking for YouTube thumbnail templates. So let us see what are the different options that we have. We go to this category here and click on See All here. And we notice the different templates loading up. You can choose any option that you want here. For a moment, let us assume that I am a vlogger and I'd like to use this template. I'll click on Use here and my template loads up nice and clean. The first thing that we notice is we can change a lot of things in this template. We can click on this text here and change the text. We can add pictures from the different options that we have here, or we can use objects, we can use text, all from the left hand menu bar here. Now for a moment, let us assume that we want to change this template. We want a different template for our use. We can go to the templates section here on the left hand menu bar, click on it, and notice the different options that upload here. Now we can choose a different category for our use. I'd like to go with this one here. That's it. In less than a second, the new template loads up in just one click. Now, this is what Picmaker offers you. Now remember that we chose YouTube thumbnail templates right at the beginning, which means they must be appropriately sized. So let us explore what size are these templates. We can click on Resize here and hover around original size, and we notice that these templates are 1280 by 720 pixels, which is exactly the size of a YouTube thumbnail. Now what we can do is we can even click on custom size here and change the dimensions of the template based on our needs. But for now we are happy with what we have here, and what we'll do is we'll click on download here and then click on download here to choose the favorite file formats that we want here, or what we can do is share this on our social media straight. Choosing a template in Picmaker is the easiest thing to do.